Is there anything more heartbreaking than a vacuum that doesn't vacuum? You pull the trigger, expect a tornado, and get a gentle breeze instead. If your vacuum is making noise but moving zero air, you are experiencing the dreaded no suction issue. While we usually talk about robots here, we know many of you rely on these handhelds, and this is one of the most common complaints we get from Dyson V10 owners. You might think it's just a dirty filter, but if you've washed everything and it's still weak, our diagnostics point to one culprit: a faulty motor. Simply put, the mechanical heart of your vacuum has failed, often due to internal wear or electronic shorts. Ignoring this is a bad idea. Attempting to force a failing motor to run can actually overheat your battery or fry the main control board, turning a fixable repair into a total loss. But don't panic. Robocare specializes in vacuum repair, and we have the fix. We don't believe in guesswork. Using advanced voltage diagnostics, we confirmed that the blockage wasn't in the filters, but deep inside the drive system. The verdict? A faulty motor. This specific failure requires more than a simple cleaning. It needs professional intervention. Here is how we fix it. We perform a surgical disassembly of the main body to extract the burnt-out component. We then deep clean the internal airways to prevent future overheating and install a genuine replacement motor. We don't just swap parts, we restore performance. But seeing is believing, right? Now, we're going to show you the flawless results. Now, look at that power. With the motor replaced, this V10 is back to beast mode. One pass, and the mess is gone. We've restored full factory suction, making it run just like the day it was unboxed. Hear what our customers have to say about their Robocare experience.
If you are dealing with a Dyson V10 that has lost suction, or any robot or handheld vacuum that's acting up, do not give up on it. Contact Robocare. They saved my vacuum and they definitely saved my sanity. Thanks, Robocare.
Don't replace it, repair it. If your handheld is losing suction, contact Robocare today. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.